We get asked sometimes what the benefits of the Aquarius system are, and you have to say, because it's Panasonic, everybody knows the Panasonic brand, so, and they are reliable and a good quality pieces of kit. From our point of view as installers, they're straightforward to install, and like any good quality air source heat pump, they are quiet, they're not intrusive, they don't keep you awake at night with spinning motors, and they don't irritate your neighbours. The heat pumps, the Aquaria heat pumps, are a really good, environmentally friendly piece of technology, and they're great to have, if you like, in our armoury, and they work very well. We've often installed them in association with PV solar panel installations. So most of the messages they're getting back are good nowadays, and very importantly, and certainly to our customers here, they are environmentally friendly, but they're also, of course, cost effective. And these customers got a couple of small children, and it was a factor for them what legacy they were going to leave, and I believe that was quite a strong reason for them going into the heat pump way. But there is also a financial benefit, of course, because it's so much cheaper than oil.